Still using a basic bathroom setup? It's time for an upgrade. In this video, we're diving into 10 stunning bathroom vanity designs that can completely transform your space. From sleek modern looks to warm boho vibes, you're sure to find a style that inspires your next renovation. Number 1. Tropical minimalist style, blending clean, modern lines with lush natural surroundings. The neutral palette, suspended round mirror, and seamless glass wall create a serene, spa-like atmosphere that connects indoor and outdoor spaces. Advantages include a calming aesthetic, abundant natural light, and a strong sense of openness. However, it requires high maintenance, thoughtful landscaping, and may lack privacy in dense urban settings. Number 2. Rustic modern style with a touch of Mediterranean charm. The use of handcrafted green ceramic tiles, natural wood shelving, and a concrete floating sink creates a warm, grounded atmosphere that feels both relaxed and refined. Large industrial-style windows allow abundant natural light, enhancing the earthy palette and leafy accents. Advantages include a cozy, welcoming aesthetic, durable materials, and a strong indoor-outdoor connection. Drawbacks may include the need for regular upkeep of grout and wood surfaces, and the style may not suit ultra-contemporary interiors. Number 3. Rustic bohemian modern style, combining warm textures, earthy tones, and eclectic charm. The concrete sink and floating wood shelf offer clean, modern lines, while the patterned tile wall, amber glass bottles, and pendant lighting add artistic, vintage character. The round mirror and natural greenery soften the overall look, creating a cozy and inviting feel. Advantages include a unique personality, warm ambience, and a mix of materials that feel handcrafted. Disadvantages may involve higher upkeep for decorative elements and less suitability for ultra-minimalist spaces. Number 4. Modern tropical style, blending sleek contemporary elements with lush greenery for a spa-like retreat. The matte vessel sinks, brushed gold faucets, and minimalist countertop contrast beautifully with the vibrant backdrop of tropical plants. Framed botanical prints and soft natural lighting enhance the serene, nature-inspired atmosphere. Advantages include a refreshing and calming ambience, great natural ventilation if real plants are used, and a strong visual connection to nature. Disadvantages might include higher maintenance due to plant care and potential humidity concerns in enclosed spaces. Number 5. Rustic bohemian style, blending earthy tones, natural materials, and artistic flair. A dark herringbone wall sets a dramatic backdrop for the woven wall decor and round mirror. The wooden vanity, stone vessel sink, and hand-woven baskets emphasize warmth and craftsmanship. The mix of textures from rough clay to soft textiles and greenery creates a cozy, lived-in feel. Advantages: warm atmosphere, excellent storage with baskets, strong handcrafted aesthetic. Disadvantages may require frequent dusting of woven elements, and darker walls can make small spaces feel more enclosed. Can you believe we are only halfway through? If you are loving these, wait until you see number 7. It is the ultimate statement piece. Number 6. Industrial style bathroom, combining raw textures and sleek design to create a bold, modern retreat. The exposed brick wall adds warmth and character, while the floating concrete vanity and black-framed glass shower enclosure emphasize clean, architectural lines. A matte black round mirror and matching basin contribute to the minimalist aesthetic, complemented by hanging Edison bulbs that cast a soft, ambient glow. With its balance of rugged materials and refined details, This space is perfect for those who appreciate urban sophistication with a touch of vintage charm. Number 7. Mediterranean rustic style, characterized by its organic shapes, natural textures, and timeless simplicity. The arched ceiling and stucco walls create a soft, cave-like ambience enhanced by the warm tones of raw wood beams and a live-edge vanity. A stone vessel sink, paired with clay pots and woven accessories, reinforces the handcrafted, earthy aesthetic. Natural light filters through the window, highlighting every curve and surface with a gentle glow. This serene, airy space feels deeply connected to tradition and nature. Advantages: tranquil atmosphere, excellent use of natural materials, and timeless appeal. Disadvantages: limited storage space and potential challenges with cleaning textured surfaces. Number 8. Modern style, infused with natural light and a calming palette. Soft sage green walls provide a soothing backdrop for the warm wood tones of the floating vanity, open shelves, and woven accents. A round, backlit mirror adds a modern touch while potted plants breathe life into every corner, from the windowsill to the shelves. The overall effect is cheerful yet serene, ideal for relaxation and daily routines. Advantages: bright and airy feel, excellent use of vertical storage, and harmonious color coordination. Disadvantages: open shelving may require frequent tidying, and pastel tones can be sensitive to wear. Number 9. Rustic-industrial style, blending raw materials like exposed red brick and black metal with the warmth of natural wood and soft lighting. The aesthetic is both grounded and character-rich, appealing to those who appreciate a tactile, vintage meets modern atmosphere. Design experts praise its strong material contrast and visual depth, especially with thoughtful touches like the Edison bulbs, open wood vanity, and biophilic elements such as potted cacti. However, this style can feel heavy without ample lighting and may lack practical storage solutions due to its open shelving. Despite minor drawbacks, it remains a timeless, expressive choice for those seeking a warm yet edgy bathroom design. Number 10. Contemporary tropical minimalism with a dramatic edge. Centered in the composition is a sleek, cylindrical pedestal with a round, backlit mirror and elegant, sculptural piece that combines function and art. The mirror's warm lead glow contrasts beautifully with the lush greenery of tropical plants like monstera and palm, which soften the otherwise dark, moody space. However, it could be critiqued for its limited practicality in everyday use and the need for meticulous upkeep, especially in maintaining plant health in low light and avoiding dust on dark surfaces. Overall, it is a statement setup ideal for luxury hospitality or high-end residential entryways. So, which vanity was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts. If you found inspiration today, do not forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a design idea. Remember, great design starts with the details. And sometimes all it takes is a beautiful vanity. See you in the next video.